friends, good morning. This is early in the morning and I am going to sow some grapes and some muskmelon seeds right now. So I thought of sharing this with you people. So let's do. This is my hibiscus bush. It's like a tree. It's a very big plant actually. It's almost like a tree. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plant my seeds under this tree so that this place so that the seeds germinate well, because from my experience I have known that seeds grow better this way. Instead, I don't grow seeds like nursery people do. I grow them in my own way under the trees. I make some, so this little bit patch of this ground area I have tilled already. It's about 12 by 12, and now I'm going to mix some this vermicompost in this. I mixed it already. Okay, it's done. The soil is very soft here, very moist, so no problem. The seeds are going to germinate very nicely in this. So I'll just level it a little bit, and these are the seeds. So what I'm going to do, this is my wood ash. I'll just sprinkle some wood ash on these seeds so that they are protected from ants or some other ground pests. They can eat these seeds up. So when we sprinkle this wood ash, this doesn't happen. And little bit of wood ash we can sprinkle here also. We'll mix it nicely. It's mixed. Now one by one we'll sow the seeds. I'll sow about 10-15 seeds. You never know which one will germinate and which one will die, because all the seeds are not same. Some are healthy. These seeds I have taken out myself from the muskmelon I bought from the market. So these seeds done. Now I'll sow the grape seeds. These grape seeds are from the dry grapes. We call kishmish, the thick one actually, and the fat these what do you call kishmish, currants or raisins, so whatever. So the seeds gone inside, and now is the time for sprinkle. Okay, so I'll sprinkle them, but then I don't have any tripod to make my mobile make me mobile free, so that I can use both my hands to sprinkle the seeds. So I have brought water, so I'll sprinkle it later. Okay friends, that was my way of sowing seeds. I hope you also try it and let me know how your seeds germinate. Okay friends, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.